Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as we refer back to the stat counter stats that I was talking about for the Windows market share, of course I showed a glimpse of the general operating system market shares. And one of the things that a lot of you have noticed and asked me is, what is unknown? What is this exactly? So unknown has to do with all sorts of things. It could be very custom operating systems that are on smartphones and tablets. A lot of that in China, by the way. And of course, people buy these tablets, these really low-priced tablets that sometimes can come with some weird operating systems. So unknown will refer to a lot of that. And I suspect that 8%, a lot of it comes from China. As for the rest, it could be modified operating systems. It could be certain Linux distros that for some reason it just can't really look at and know what it is. So anything that has been really highly modified to run specific hardware, it could be custom operating systems for machinery that can go on the web for any reason, and that will count as an unknown, because they're not really sure what it is. So 8% is really often either specialized equipment or some really funky operating systems made by manufacturers for smartphones and tablets. And like I said, a lot of that has to do with Chinese hardware. There's a host, and if you start looking on eBay, for example, you'll see that tons of devices that have these weird operating systems with their own store that just look bizarre and that are not Android, but that are really homemade stuff. It could be a customized Android to a point where it's unrecognizable for the device, also for the stat counter statistics, because what they do is when you go on a website, they interrogate what operating systems you have. So every website you visit, they know if you have Windows, or if you're on a smartphone, if it's iOS, if it's Android, if it's Linux, they can check that. And a lot of highly modified operating systems sometimes might not actually show up in there. So that's pretty much what unknown is. A mix of all sorts of weird operating systems, machinery specialized operating systems, and highly modified operating systems that are just unrecognizable suddenly to any website you visit. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.